Next up here is SPY, and we'll continue to monitor this and analyze it as the breakout unfolds. It is still technically in somewhat of a breakout formation. This was the trend that broke. Green hammer candle implies strength. Decent amount of volume confirms strength. Now we've got some choppiness the past couple of days. This almost turned into an outside bar yesterday. Now today we have a green hammer candle with a little bit of a volume spike off of the 8 period exponential moving average, which in and of itself is very bullish. So with that in mind, I do expect some continuation. Now I have these lines on here still. This top up here of 240.20 is going to be at least somewhat of a resistance. We have this 240.30 level over here to keep an eye out on. So that will probably have some sellers there waiting for it once it gets above there. If it gets above there, which it probably will in my opinion anyways, we can expect new all-time highs fairly quickly. Do want to see real quick what it is doing after hours. Okay, not a whole lot, so nothing really to void off the plan at the moment. Whoops, get that out of there. Don't want to see this. Okay, now I have this here, the 30-minute chart, because I do like to catch SPY on the larger swings. In between these levels here, there's really nothing for me to do. So I've got two plans that I will put on my chart here. I'll be looking for support entry there, and a stop loss just below basically this 239 level. And I believe there were some more dark pool prints around 239.60, so they do seem to be moving up with price, which is bullish. I mean, there's big money coming in, big money trades, and as long as those continue, I can expect this to keep moving up. Now, this could be a little bit of a breakout move above 239.90, but if that was the case, the target would have to be right here, which to me is not worth it. So if this does push up higher, my next setup is going to be long over this 240.20 area as a breakout trade and stop just below, because I don't want to be trapped in something that fails. Now, what has been happening with SPY is once it sets in a support, as you can see over here, it gives a little bit of a false breakdown and then a run, okay, and then a false breakdown and then it actually runs. So it's happened a couple of times here in the past couple of weeks here. This was one right here where it gave a false breakdown and then gapped up and continued on its chop until we finally made another move higher. So don't expect any sort of a strong trend, at least not in my opinion, tomorrow, but we will likely chop in between here. That does not mean I'm going to be short up here. This is not necessarily a short setup. Scalpers, by all means, have at it. And that's your trade, not mine. Like I said, I will be waiting for pullbacks to here as support and a potential breakout above here. So with that in mind, if I do get triggered in, like I said, I will be looking for new all-time highs. My target, I'm going to go ahead and put it up here at 242. Be a little optimistic, and with all my trades, I will trail my stop up with price. So it probably won't get up that high, but we'll see how far it can go.